Okay, y'all, some hot deals came out today at Walgreens, which is one of my favorite spots, Dollar General, Family Dollar, and Smith's, also known as Kroger's. I only have $155 that I'm working with today. So my mission is to see how much product I can come back with just $155 budget. And here is my little wallet. We got, let's see, one, two, three, four, $500, and then I have the $55 on my card. So we are going to see what I got, what I am going to get, and mind you, I have to get something to cook as well. So let's head to the store. Okay, y'all, this is my card for the Dollar General. Starting off, I'm getting the Downy Calm and this. They are 2 for $7, and this has $1 off coupon. So fingers crossed that it works out as 6 something dollars. Then on the Palmolive, it is 3 what 50, and I have $1 off, making it $2.50. Then the Fabulosos are 5. We have $2 off, making those 3. And then on the soft soap, we have a couple of coupons off on those. But I'm gonna go over everything when I get back home. And then I'm getting this is $8.95, $2 off, making it $6.95. So basically, I'm gonna go over the transactions when I get home, and I'm ranking everything up separately. So this is the first stop. Okay, y'all, I am at the second stop, which is Walgreens, and let's see, I have 40, 55, 56, 57, $58, and I still got the 55 on my card, and I still have to go to Smith. So let's see what I do at Walgreens. Okay, y'all, this is the online order that I am placing. I am doing the spend 45 and get $15 back. So this stuff is like after coupons and the code WAG10, it's like $45 and some change. And here is my cart full of other stuff that I'll be purchasing with the $15 that I'm getting back on my account. But you want to get two $15.99 items and two $12.99 items. Each item has a $3 off digital as well. So let me place this order for pickup and have them get it started so I can go ahead and, take it home. Okay, y'all, last store is Smith's. So I'm gonna go in there and see what I can get. I have $25 left and probably, let me see, probably some change left on my card because I placed that Walgreens order. So yeah, let's go see what I can get. Okay, y'all, I am finally home, and I wanted to show y'all what I got today, how much it was, what coupon to use, all of that good stuff. So starting out with the Gain 81 ounce, it is $8.95. We have a $2 digital coming off, making it $6.95. The Fabuloso is $5. We have $2 coming off, making it $3, and I had got two of those. Then on the Downy fabric softener and the dryer sheets, we have a coupon making these 2 for $7. And then the Downy April Fresh has a dollar coupon attaching. So these are the two coupons that you can use with these items. And instead of paying $7, it was $6 for these two items. So making them basically $3 each. So here's that. Then I picked up some more stuff at the Dollar General. Oh, and also I'm gonna let y'all know how much I spent, cause remember my budget was $150. 155. I'm sorry. So let's get into the next items. Okay, y'all, here is my next set of items. We got the palm olive with oxy. It is $3.95. We have $1.50 coming off, making it $2.45. The original palm olive is $3.50. We have $1 coming off, making it $2.50. Then the Suave deodorant, it is $3.25. We have $1 coming off, making it $2.25. Then for the soft soap, y'all, we have two coupons. These were $5.50 each, totaling $16.50. We have 5 off for 3 coming off, making them $11.50. And then we have a spend 9, save $3 coming off. So with the 5 and the 3 coming off, the total is $8.50, making each one of these $2.83. Yay! So that it was my purchases from the Dollar General. So now let's get into the transactions that I did at Walgreens. Okay, y'all, here is my transaction from Walgreens, and I did this was an online transaction, and the reason why I did this online is because we get to use a code WAG10, and it takes off some of the purchase total. So the Tide with Downey was $12.99, $3 off, making it $9.99. The Game Plus, and it has 32 pods in there, was $15.99. We had $3 off for that, making it $12.99. Then on the Gain Liquid 100 load, what's it? Yeah, up to 100 loads was $15.99 as well. $3 coming off, making that $12.99. And then the Tide Pods 42 count was $12.99 with $3 off, making it $9.99. Then I used WAG 10. It took off $3.97, so my total was $45.83. I paid that and got back $15 WAGs, which is Walgreens cash on my account, making the final total for these items $30.83, making each item $7.70 each. Okay, y'all, so remember that $15. So now I'm going to show y'all some other stuff I got today at Walgreens. Okay, here is my next transaction. Starting off with the Head and Shoulders, and this was done in store. They are buy one get one 50% off, and they are $8.49. So one of them had well, they have two coupons attaching, a $5 and a $3. So $8.49 was one with $5 off, making it $3.49. The other one that was 50% off was $4.24 with $3 off, making it $1.24. So both of these together after coupons was $4.73, We get back $3 register rewards, making these $1.73 or 86 cents each. The cheapest these have been in years. So this is a hot ticket item, and I guaranteed that shelves will be cleared once everybody finds out about this deal. Then on the Pantene Rescue stuff, it is on sale for $8. We have a $5 coming off, making it just $3. The Febreze plugs $3.50. We have $3.50 coming off, making it free. And these Finish Quantum was on clearance for $8.49. Regular price was $16.99 on these. So I used $10 in Walgreens cash. Out of pocket, I paid $17.46. Got back $3 register rewards, making the total $14.46, making each item $2.89 each. So I got more transactions, y'all. So just check my game out, check my game out. Now let's get to the next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is the next in-store purchase. Starting off with the Kotex, they are buy one, get one 50% off. So two of them was $2.49, totaling $4.98. And two of them was $1.24, totaling $2.48. So altogether, these were $7.46. Submitted my receipt to Ibotta, got back $4, making these $3.46 or 86 cents each. Then I picked up the Aveeno moisturizing bar. It is $5.49. We have a $3 digital, making it $2.49. Then last transaction was the Hello toothpaste, two for $6, totaling 12. We have a 6 off for 2 digital coming off, making them $6. Pay that, get back $5 register rewards, making these $1 or 50 cents each. So for this transaction right here, I used my $3 register reward I got back from the second transaction. Then I used $10 in register rewards because on one of my accounts I had money on there that I didn't know I had, so I used that. And the total was $12.95. So I paid that, got back $3 register rewards, making the final cost $9.95, making each item $1.42. And it really was cheaper than that because I didn't tie in the $4 that I got back from Ibotta. So there you have it. And I did one more Walgreens transaction, and I'm about to show y'all so we can end the video, and I'm gonna tell y'all about Smith's. This is the last transaction I did at Walgreens on this Olay body wash. They are $8 each, so three of them is $24. We have a $5 digital coming off, making them 19. I used $5 register reward that I got from the last transaction, and I used $5 Walgreens cash. So out of pocket, I paid $9, got back $5 register rewards, making these $4 or $1.33 each. So that was my last transaction from Walgreens, and I'm about to tell y'all the totals that I spent at each store. Okay, y'all. So the final totals was Dollar General. I spent $34.65. Walgreens $78.71, and Smith's $28, totaling $141.36. So I didn't go over my $155 budget. So there you have it, my $155 budget day. So I will see y'all tomorrow with some more deals, cause y'all know Dollar General has that um 3 off of 10. If y'all got those coupons, comment down below and let me know. They will be in your wallet section in your Dollar General app. And Family Dollar has 5 off 25 once again all this week. So I will be bringing the deals. All I need y'all to do is tune in, and if you not subscribed, subscribe and like, comment, share. That's all I'm asking, and I got the rest. So with that being said, I will see y'all in my next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.